Oh, sunlight blasting my glare, whatever. We are at Knott's Berry Farm. It's been a minute, so I wanted to come out and check the progression of MonteZOOmas, even though I haven't got that video out. But again, I promise you, I am close. I know I say that over and over, but I am closer than I have been. I already posted 2 of the videos from this past trip stuff. So I mean, again, I'm believe me, I'm there. I promise. So right now we're gonna hop in again. We're gonna check out the new. Sorry, squirrel. The silver bullet rolling through the Cobra roll. It is pretty sweet. So check out the new MonteZOOma Revenge update. I heard the train is really on the track, like it's out and about. So I wanted to see because last time I was here was in the station. I couldn't get a picture of it. I was kind of like, ah. So yeah, it's coming. And Mark doesn't get to ride it this year. I get a credit that he doesn't get this year. Woo woo. Or I could be nice and just let him ride it. Because if he rides it and I ain't here, that's like cheating. Mark. Anyways, all right, let's go inside and see what's going on. Man, Silver Bullet is just calling to me today. It's not really my jam, as y'all know, but anyways, all right. The crowds here have kind of died down. A lot of the school classes are leaving or they already have left. So this is really a good time to come in. It's 6 o'clock. You got 2 hours left. Get some rides in, do some cool stuff, hang out, get a little dinner in. But rides right now are 90 minutes for GhostRider, 20 minutes in Fast Pass. I'm gonna go check out what Xcelerator looks like right now. Check out all the rides. Maybe get something to eat. And again, see MonteZOOma's update. Let's go. Man, I am just not getting this right today. Anyways, let's try this again. So I was saying, if you want to know how busy Knott's is, you can look right at that intersection at all times. That's really the packed zone, I always say. People crossing back and forth. It's always super busy. This guy ran over. Anyways, got my fast pass at the store. I didn't wait in line. I got pulled over and to the faster lane to kick through, which I was happy about. So I went right to the store, got my singles and my fast pass. Easy peasy. So again, I'm heading back here to Xcelerator, see what's going on. Log ride, I'm gonna pass right here and see what kind of timing we're looking at. Oh, looking at least 60 minutes, they're saying, for log ride. It is busy, oh, see, you can hear the groups, they gotta be going. It's 6:10, so wherever their meeting is, they gotta go. All right, let's go and check this out. Maybe some Xcelerator time. I haven't seen it run yet, so it's kind of scary too. Change of plans. I remembered that Boardwalk Barbecue closes at 7, and by the time I'm gonna be rolling through and everything, it's gonna be closed. So I'm like, I gotta go eat now, and the line was empty when I peeked in. So I'm like, it means I should eat. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll walk the park here in a minute, finish this all up. Got about an hour and a half left of the park. Actually, right now, an hour and 45 minutes. So I'm hoping to eat quickly and get out here and actually roll through the park. So stay tuned. So it's saying that the Fast Pass lane is closed. So I'm looking right now what the queue's like. Oh, it's just a walk-on. So we are absolutely walking to the ramp, the bottom of the ramp. So 20 minutes. Yeah. Ooh, haunted house. No clue what they're doing, but super cool to see new construction, new maze, new update. I like that. Can't wait for Not Scary Farm this year. Oh, Xcelerator, let's go. 20 minutes again is what I'm saying. Set that timer, let's go. 4 minutes from line to ride to. All right, whoop, whoop. I always got back row, super sloped, right side. Did get a POV of that. Did I turn it off? I think I did. Anyways, I didn't know wrong. We're gonna walk over here to MonteZOOma's. So I got one ride on Xcelerator. It is now 7:16, so I got 45 minutes left. Let's see what else I can get into. Again, I do got to get this update. So we are walking this way through Fiesta Village. Let's go.
Already, I got the extra large.
Finally getting that MonteZOOma gear in so we can start to get ready for the ride. Let's go. Hopefully the train is on tonight. That'd be sick. I could actually get to see the whole thing. Because, like I said, I only saw it in the station. Thanks, Jaguar. Appreciate you. Wow. So the train is on the tracks right now. I think there possibly could be 2 trains on the track, but at least, no, that can't be possible. It's only 1 train ride, so it is 1 total train. I believe they're maybe separated because it looks like there's a cart in front of the train itself, or an optical illusion from back here. I don't know. Could be. I'm getting old. Anyways, I'm looking at right now the line to the racer. I've never ridden that thing, and that goes right by the ride. Maybe, we'll see. If not, let's go see what the train ride looks like. Maybe we can squeeze one of those in. Let's go. So I touched on those earlier in a vlog that's not probably out yet. Anyways, I think the power-ups, that's a new thing. So all the parks are adding those. I haven't seen how these work or what they do, but it's kind of cool. Anyways, let's go back up here and look at the train tracks. Wow, see, that's how you know I've been working all day. Okay, can't even think right. But yeah, when I come here, seeing the coaster track, see any kind of launch has been done. I know they finished up the fence. And like I said, that train is all the way back, so we won't see it from this side, we'll only see it from the other side, but ooh, nice new steel, launch, mechanisms. I'll turn around and shut up in a minute. Here, there you go. So there is some cool stuff getting built on the set of the, the train itself. So theming, everything's coming. I don't know if I'm gonna like those trains, but again, I'll try them. I'll at least try any ride for at least once, and it could be a one and done, as you all know, or it could be rideable. Who knows? So, but we'll see. I'm gonna leave my thoughts to MonteZOOma once it opens back up, and I will try it. But it is coming. It is gonna open this year for sure. Onto the park. Let's see what else has changed. Okay, so it's a necklace thing for the campers. I think it's like Snoopy campers or this. And the kids get to run ahead and it sounds like an alarm and tells them if they've been there or not. And if they've been there, it's like, you've been here. So that was pretty cool. All right. So there you go. That's what it is. And so you go up and you got the badges there in that store. And you're able to go and adventure throughout Camp Snoopy now. Not throughout Knott's, but just Camp Snoopy. So, yeah, you kids like that. So it's probably fun. $18, probably well worth it. That's new. Summer nights. I'm in. Some event, I'm in. All right, let's check out Silver Bullet right now. Cool. Walked into the lounge, the Prestige Lounge, and the young lady at the front asked me about my shirt. Icebreaker. I said, she goes, is that front right? I said, it is. She goes, that's SeaWorld Orlando. I go, I don't know who it is. And she goes, I need to get down there. I said, you do? I said, Mako is just such an amazing ride. She goes, what's that? And I told her, and she was like, it sounds like a lot of fun. I go, it's absolutely amazing. So, got me a bag of chips. Let's go wait this line. It's 90 minutes for GB and 20 minutes for Fast Pass. 30 minutes, GhostRider back row. I'll take that. I loved it. Let me see if I can get this picture right now. Let's go. Sweet night, got that picture. Not too shabby, yeah, didn't it? So again, I got here at what? Almost 6 o'clock, so about 2 hours. I got food in, I got a ride on Xcelerator, I got a ride on GhostRider, and I got to walk around the park a bit. Maybe I could have got another ride or two in, for sure, maybe a ride, you know, for sure with Fast. But I did decide to vlog instead and check out that new MonteZOOma stuff update. We needed that, come on now, let's not lie. That was a must. All right, well, I think I will be back a little more. What's that word? I think I'll be back more often. There you go, Rolo. Anyways, to check things out, especially with the park not being open until 8 and 10 o'clock on the weekends. So that lets me hop out of work and get over here, because it does take me, like I said, about almost 40 to 50 minutes to get about 18 miles. All right, well, with that, I'm gonna wrap it up tonight. So remember, keep your hands up, seatbelt buckle, and your phone in your zipper pocket.